the deepest hole ever drilled on Earth. What scientists discovered shouldn't exist. In the frozen north of Russia, something strange exists, a hole so deep that it goes further into the Earth than any other human-made structure in history. It's called the Kola Superdeep Borehole, and what scientists discovered while drilling it shocked the world. In 1970, the Soviet Union began an ambitious scientific mission. The goal was simple, but extremely challenging: to drill as deep into the Earth's crust as possible and uncover what lies beneath our feet. Scientists believed the Earth was structured in clear layers: crust, mantle, and core. They expected solid rock, predictable temperatures, and stable conditions. But they were wrong, very wrong. As drilling continued deeper and deeper, something unusual started happening. The deeper they went, the stranger the Earth became. At around 7 kilometers deep, temperatures were already far higher than expected. The rock didn't behave like solid stone anymore. Instead, it started acting almost plastic, soft, unstable, unnatural under extreme pressure. But the biggest shock came later. At around 9 kilometers deep, the scientists made an unexpected discovery. They found microscopic fossils of marine plankton, tiny sea creatures. But that didn't make sense, because this deep underground was supposed to be solid, ancient rock, not material that once lived in oceans. This suggested something unbelievable, that the Earth's history was far more complex than scientists thought. Then came the moment that turned this project into legend. Workers reportedly heard strange sounds coming from deep inside the borehole. Some claimed it sounded like screaming or distant voices. This story spread quickly and became known as the Sounds from Hell legend. However, scientists later clarified that no such recordings were officially confirmed. Still, the mystery only grew. As drilling continued, the conditions became unbearable. Temperatures reached over 180 degrees Celsius. The equipment began to fail repeatedly. The deeper they drilled, the more impossible the environment became. Eventually, after reaching a depth of about 12,262 meters, the project was stopped. Not because they found what they were looking for, but because the Earth itself refused to be drilled any further. Today, the Kola Superdeep Borehole still exists, a thin, sealed entrance in the frozen ground of Russia. It doesn't look impressive from the surface, but beneath it lies one of the greatest scientific journeys ever attempted. And still to this day, it raises one haunting question. If we barely understand what lies just 12 kilometers beneath our feet, what else is hidden deeper inside the Earth? And was this really just science? Or did they uncover something we were never meant to find?